Binance Smart Chain Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Binance Smart Chain Wallet app is one of the most popular tools for interacting with the Bin chain and the wider DeFi world. But is it really as powerful as people claim, or are there hidden drawbacks? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the biggest advantage is seamless integration. Because it's built by Binance, the wallet connects effortlessly to the Binance exchange and the entire BN ecosystem. You can move tokens between your exchange account and wallet in seconds, no long waiting times or confusing network fees. Next, the app supports a wide range of assets. Beyond just BNB, it lets you store and manage BEP20 tokens, interact with decentralized apps, and participate in yield farming or staking right inside the wallet. Another major benefit is security and trust. Binance employs multi-layer protection, optional biometric login, and private key encryption. Plus, you're in control of your keys, meaning Binance doesn't hold your funds directly. However, there are also cons worth knowing. First, because Binance is a large centralized company, some users worry about privacy. The wallet connects closely to Binance's infrastructure, so it's not as private or anonymous as some fully decentralized wallets. Second, network congestion can be an issue. During high activity periods, transaction fees and confirmation times can spike, even though BN chain is usually cheaper than Ethereum. And finally, the user experience for beginners can be overwhelming. Between smart contract approvals, custom tokens, and bridging assets, there's a learning curve if you're new to DeFi. In conclusion, the Binance Smart Chain Wallet app is powerful, secure, and ideal for users who already use Binance or want to dive into BN chain projects. The surprising truth? It's not the simplest wallet out there, but for serious DeFi users, it's one of the most capable. If you value convenience and integration, this wallet deserves a spot on your shortlist.